So guys, I just switched over to my Osage hearth that I had, and I'm going to go ahead and try this Yucca spindle on it. Just using the same hole that I was using before, using the floating hands technique up top to build up heat. Well, I hope the camera caught that. Or can you see the smoke? I don't know if you can see the smoke. Let me take you off the stand before you run out of battery. Maybe you can even see the coal. So that's a Yucca spindle on Osage hearth. Definitely wasn't the Osage doing any of the work there. That was all the Yucca being basically powdered up. The Osage didn't even make a dent in it, so I'm going to grab that and see if I can blow that into ember. Hang on. Alright guys. I always tend to make these tinder bundles so small because I just don't want to, take the time to get another one, or to get more material. It's real lazy of me, to be honest with you. I really shouldn't do that. It's a good way to get burnt. There you go, guys. I don't know if you can see that, but that's a blister from last weekend from doing the hand drill and not getting it, and I had a blister here and one over here. Once you get that hot spot, or you think you're about to get a blister, it's when to quit. And I didn't quit last weekend. It's awful stupid of me, to be honest with you. But anyway, you do it long enough, you're going to end up with calluses, so you don't have to worry about that. I hadn't been doing the hand drill for a while, so I lost my calluses that I had from it, and I've been doing some a little bit easier work at work. So anyway, just thought I'd share that with you guys. Yucca's amazing. In parts of this state, at least where I'm at, it's all over the place, and then there'll be some parts of the state where you can't even find it, so it's just kind of hit or miss. One thing cool about Yucca is wherever you have buffalo, you won't find any of this, because the buffalo will uproot every one of these in the pasture. But thought that was interesting. So anyway, that out of battery here, guys. Take care, and go out, have fun. It's kind of warm outside today, but hey, you don't always find time to do this kind of stuff, so gotta do it when you do have time.